Sometimes I take life way too seriously, way too personally. Sometimes I feel like the universe is punishing me. For what? For being a good person? I'm a good person. So why do bad things happen to good people? Life is so unfair. Even though I'm feeling this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. And I'm willing to see things differently now. I'm choosing to experience life from a different lens. A more empowering and positive lens. Everything is actually working out for me. The universe wants me to have good things. So I'm choosing to take life less personally from now on. And I'm inviting more love, pleasure, and joy into my life.